p.m. or 4:14 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Winslow, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expected damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, Huntingburg, Ferdinand, Holland, Birdline, Wrightsville, St. Mark's, Sassafras, Millersport, and Bristol. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. or 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois and Perry,